हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज जिस टॉपिक पे मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ वो इग्नू के पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हैं जो कि पॉलिटिकल साइंस में एनरोल्ड हैं। फर्स्ट चैप्टर है व्हाट इज़ पॉलिटिकल थियोरी एंड व्हाई स्टडी इट। आज मैं इसका पार्ट 1 पे आप लोगों को भी नोट्स दे रही हूँ। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके सेकेंड पार्ट पे आप लोगों को नोट्स दूँगी। सबसे पहले मैंने स्टार्ट किया है इंट्रोडक्शन। Not only the theory of politics but also science of politics and the philosophy of politics and policies। मतलब ये पॉलिटिकल थियोरी की मैंने डेफिनेशन दी है। ब्लूहन के अकॉर्डिंग एक्सप्लेन पॉलिटिकल थियोरी as it is the analysis of political data, abstract model of political data, systematic collection and analysis of political data। Andrew Hacker says that political theory is the theory which is not influenced by strong emotion and is rational and impartial. It is the science of reality, giving real perspective with judgment of values. As philosophy, it will describe rules of conduct which will secure the good life of society and individual. It is not the science of imagination, rather than it is the element of political vision. It thus has in varying degree elements of theory, science, philosophy and ideology. Now what is political theory? According to George Sabine, political theory is anything about politics, this being the Board's meaning. He referred to its broad meaning. He referred to its narrow meaning, saying that it is disciplined investigation of political problem. David Hell defines political theory as a network of concept and generalization about political life involving ideas, assumptions, and statements about the nature, purpose, and key features of government, state, and society, and about the political capabilities of human being. Now, what is theory? The term theory is originated from the Greek word theoria. Theory means, or at least may mean, well-focused mental look taken at something in a state of contemplation with the intention to grasp or understand it. Theory is a combination of element characteristic of both science and philosophy. Theory is not a practice because doing too needs thinking. Theory involves a theoretical frame which practice really lack. Theory is not merely description. Theory is not hypothesis, for hypothesis denotes a tentative assumptions of fact and therefore lacks what theory really has, definiteness. Next is political theory implication. Theory implies both science as well as philosophy. It is against the background that one may say that a theorist is both a scientist and a philosopher. A theorist is more than a scientist, he is more than a philosopher. To understand theory when applied to politics would mean understanding politics as a theory, as a science, and also as a philosophy. The discussion on what a political theory is or what political theory would help us identify the characteristic implication or the major aspects of political theory. Some of these are stated as the area in which political theory works extend to the realms of politics only, political life of the citizen, his political behavior, his political ideas, the government that seeks to establish, and the tasks expected from such a government. The methods which political theory adopts include description, explanation, and investigation of political phenomenon. Though political theory is all about political, yet it attempts to understand political in relation to social, economic, psychological, ecological, moral, and the like. The objective which political theory seeks to achieve is to build a good state in a good society and in the process create processes, procedure, intuitions and structure historically tested and rationally attained. As a body of thought, political theory attempts to explain, evaluate and predict political phenomena and in the process builds not only scientifically testable model but suggests value as rules of human conduct. Next is political theory contents. The contents of political theory include understanding of what is really political, to link political with what is non political, and to integrate and coordinate the result of the numerous social sciences for knowing its own nature. Its scope is not limited to what it constitutes, but to what exists in the periphery and beyond. Suggesting that of defining what is political is a continual one. Sheldon. Sheldon Wallen includes the following in the contents of political theory: a form of activity entering around the quest for competitive advantage between groups, individuals, or society. A form of activity conditioned by the fact that it occurs within a situation of change and relative scarcity. A form of activity in which the pursuit of advantage produce consequences of such magnitude that they affect in a significant way the whole society or a substantial portion of it. Next is nature of political theory. To know clearly as what political theory really is to know its nature. Political theory is said to be a political thought, and that is why there are some who describe political theory as denoting the works of numerous thinkers. But it is not what political thought is. There are others who equate political theory with political philosophy. It is true that political theory constitute a part of political philosophy, but it is only a part. Political theory is not all history, but in the limited sense, it is not all philosophy, but it is philosophy in some degree. It is not all science, but it is science in so far as it responds to reason. A political theorist has to be a part historian, a part philosopher, and a part scientist. Political theory as history. Political science is very closely related to history. Hence, political science always takes the help of history for studying political institutions, that is, the history of their evolution from their emergence and gradual evolution into their contemporary forms, power, function, mutual relation, and relative position. History is more than the tale of the dead and the buried. It is storehouse of experience and wisdom, successes and failures of what has been achieved and what has been lost. Political theory as a history define what has lost its value. No one cries now that the state has been a divine creation or the result of a contract in the state of nature. As history, political theory conserve what has significance and helps posterity to cherish it for a long time to come. Political theory is history in the sense that it seeks to understand the time, the place, and the circumstances in which it evolves. If it ignores its historical context, it loses its trend, focus, and message. Political theory without history is a structure without a base. In studying and analyzing politics, what we learn to understand is a political tradition and a concrete way of behavior. It is therefore proper that the study of politics should essentially a historical study. Political theory is not merely or only history, it is a science insofar as it is not understood in isolation, and also a philosophy insofar as it motivates. Next is political theory as philosophy. The main purpose of political philosophy is to establish a general value about the state and political life. Political philosophy follows a normative approach to the analysis of the state and political life. Philosophy, as an abstract study encompassing the whole universe in general, and morals, norms, and value in particular, is the sum total of general laws governing the whole world. Political theory is a philosophy, for it not only seeks to know the nature of things but also attempts to explain as to why things really exist. One understands an action or a thought only by evaluating it. Evaluation is a part of understanding. Political theory as philosophy is the attempt truly to know both the nature of political things and the right or the good political order. Politics is not what one assumes or opines. In fact, the political theorist is expected to possess more than an assumption or an opinion, he has to have knowledge. Philosophy emerges when opinion or assumption attains the heights of knowledge, and that is what exactly is the task of political theory. Political theory as philosophy is an attempt to replace opinion or assumption about the nature of political things by knowledge of the nature of political things. Political theory as science. Political theory is a science that has been forcefully emphasized by scholars from Arthur Bentley to George Catlin, David Easton, and Robert Dahl. But also, science is not political theory, just as all political theory is not science. Political theory is not science in the sense chemistry or physics or mathematics is a science. It is not as exact a science as these natural or physical sciences are because there are no universally recognized principle, no clear effect relationship, no laboratories and no prediction are made in political theory the way these are found in natural and exact sciences. Political theory as a science is only a social science. It is science in its methodology, its approach, and in its analysis. The role of science in political theory should be limited to the extent that it helps understand a political phenomenon. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये था मेरा आज का वीडियो। और अगर आपको इस चैप्टर के नोट्स चाहिए हो, सॉल्व असाइनमेंट्स चाहिए हो या प्रीवियस ईयर सॉल्व क्वेश्चन पेपर चाहिए हो तो आप मेरे व्हाट्सअप नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको व्हाट्सअप नंबर मिल जाएगा। इस चैप्टर के सिर्फ नोट्स मिल पाएंगे, तो उस पर आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, आपको नोट्स मिल जाएंगे। सिर्फ मैसेज करना है, कॉल नहीं करना है। वीडियो अगर पसंद आई तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि जब भी कोई लेटेस्ट वीडियो डालूं उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आप लोगों तक पहुंच जाए। आज के लिए इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक बाय।